Welcome to Super Simplistic Solutions Learning Series. This is Lesson 1, Creating New Folders. This lesson is going to teach you how to create a new folder on your computer, how to rename it, and how to both delete and restore recycled items. When creating folders, keep in mind that you can create as many folders as you need. You can create a folder within just about any window, and empty folders do not take up disk space. When naming folders, you can use descriptive names up to 200 characters. Nevertheless, it's a good idea to keep folder and file names shorter rather than longer. The process of creating a folder is actually very simple, and similar on most computers and operating systems. For instance, if you are using Windows and you want to add a folder within an existing open folder, go to the Home tab and click New Folder. The new untitled folder will instantly be created,